Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have OnePlus 60 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. So I have the screen open calendar application. In it we can change view for month to be easily to add and tap on the day when we want to add it, maybe 28th of May. There is this plus icon and event. First we can add title of our event. In this part we can add this event to our group on Gmail calendar or something like that. There we can set it will be all day, or we can set when event starts and finish. Repeat of that if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. Add location to that, notification maybe 1 hour before, or we can add more than one. There we can change color which we see in our calendar about our notification. Description and attachment to that. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and you have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.